Poops? Here we go again. Smelly poop bags, stinky hands, and long walks for a trash bin. Ah, you got some on your fingers? Yuck! By the way, CDC says 14% of Americans test positive from poop worms. Not anymore. Meet Pupsel, your extra hand to handle your dog's poop. Simply pick up the poop, carry its smell and leak-free, and toss it away later. It's that easy. Just pull the bag, cover the claws, and boom! The poop is inside. Pupsel lets you enjoy your walk with no poopy problems to worry about. Packed as your smartphone, and it comes in 2 sizes to handle poop of all sizes and shapes. Yes, including Great Danes. For our Kickstarter backers, we will include a wrist strap and multifunctional lanyard with a latch to use Pupsel in many different ways.
Everybody loves your doggy. Until he leaves you a present. It's so embarrassing. It's a crime. Well, maybe a misdemeanor, but it doesn't have to end like this. Introducing man's next best friend, the Augie Dog. Say goodbye to the embarrassment, the stooping, the yucky touch of the pickup bag. Allows you to pick up, conceal, and carry what your dog leaves behind, effortlessly and mess-free. Augie Dog has the sturdy base for walking. When it's time, the base snaps off with the touch of a toe. Place the Augie Dog over the prize and press the button. Inside, the auger turns and picks up the mess, securing it inside. It works on grass, gravel, pavement, pathways, even on landscaping. Augie Dog can handle multiple gifts per walk. It's that easy. Got a yard that needs a quick cleanup? No worries. Cleans up the yard effortlessly in seconds. No bags, no shovels destroying your lawn. Augie Dog eliminates the back-breaking, bending, and stooping. When you're done, snap on the cap till you're home. Open Augie Dog over the barrel, hit reverse, and displace the waste. It's a piece of cake. Don't hesitate. You love your dog, and now nothing will come between you with Augie Dog.